everybody, Carolyn Crow here from the Let's Cook at Casey program. I just wanted to show you a real quick tip on how to fill a piping bag. Watch and learn. So I have here a nice big professional piping bag. If you don't have one of these, maybe you have one of the little short ones. This will work for that too. Maybe you're just using a plastic freezer bag for this. That's fine. Whatever you've got, you can do this technique. So I'm just going to open it up, hold it over itself. So I've created kind of a cup there. It's like a little handle that I can hold it by. This is just a regular pint glass. I guess it has Dr. Doom on it. I'll just pop it down into my pint glass, get it opened up, and spoon in my cream. This is actually 7-minute frosting. I'm going to use it to frost these chocolate cupcakes, and then you just lift it up. You use your hand to get all of your filling down in there. A bench scraper or a bowl scraper works well for this too. Snip the tip. And that's it. You're done. When you hold a piping bag, you want to kind of hold it like you're milking a cow. Does that help if I tell you to do it like you're milking a cow? You've all milked cows before, right? Ah, it's getting away! Oh, it's so cute! Ta-da! That's how you fill a piping bag. I hope this tip helped you. Bye-bye! If you have a blowtorch, you can torch your 7-minute frosting. Ta-da! Lightly toasted. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!